how to make video in Dazz. So here you just open it up and yeah, so the trick is that you need to select specific camera. So you tap on the camera in bottom right, you select on this menu, and then you see digital and you see video. So you need to enable like video camera. If you do not enable, you don't have option to record video. So then you just go back, and then what you see 2 rows of items. So in the top row, this is a video, and in the bottom there is photo. So select some camera from the top, and then you will see red numbers in the top. If you see red numbers in the top, it means you can record a video. And then just tap 1 2 1 2, and then you can see then the video starts recording, and you can go back and see it. Then just tap 1. So that's kind of the idea. But yet tap in the bottom, you see video cameras in the top and photo cameras in the bottom. If I select photo camera in the bottom, and then I don't see these red numbers in the top, and I can only make a photo. So again, the trick is that you go to this menu, you tap near sample button on the menu, and then you select one of the video cameras.